Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to enable and disable the dark mode in your Chrome app. So launch the Chrome app, and right now the system-wide dark mode is enabled, so the Chrome browser is also set in the dark mode. Now if I want to turn off the dark mode or I want to enable the light mode, what I can do is I can tap on these three dot options and go to settings, and within the settings I have this options called as themes. Select that, and which is set to system default. Now if I want to switch to the light mode, I can select this light mode toggle, and all the options and the settings will be appearing in the light mode. Now if I want to switch back to the dark mode, what I can do is I can go to settings and then theme, and in this theme I can choose dark mode or the system default. Whatever is your current system device set, you can just enable that. So in this way you can change the theme color to dark mode or the light mode in your Chrome app on your Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.